will feel that this dip is almost too pretty to eat. But trust me, once you taste it, there's no stopping. Today we're making a creamy beetroot dip that's earthy, tangy, slightly sweet, and unbelievably smooth. You'll find the full recipe in the description. Start with 1 medium roasted and peeled beetroot straight into the blender. I have just cut it into chunks to facilitate the blending process. Then add 1/3 cup of thick Greek yogurt along with 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese for that creamy base. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to brighten things up. Next, drop in 1 small garlic clove, followed by 1/8 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika for warmth. Add 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance everything. And if you like a hint of sweetness, finish with 1/2 teaspoon of honey, totally optional, but lovely. Now blend everything until it's smooth and velvety, scrape down the sides if needed, and give it 1 more quick blend. Here you go with your beautiful creamy beetroot dip. This recipe makes about 1 cup, perfect for spreading, dipping, or even dolloping onto wraps and bowls. Just chill in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes to let the flavors come together. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this colorful little dip finds its way into your kitchen. Don't forget to show some love by liking the video, sharing it with a fellow food lover. Also, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell so you never miss a new recipe.